Okay. So let's go to the tongue description. Red tongue with kidney yin deficiency. It is a common result of kidney yin deficiency, which is developed from the heat, from deficiency. So matagal na siya. So nada-dry up yung fluid and injures the blood. When this occurs, tongue appears red and dry with little coating. Okay. The stronger the heat, the greater the injury to blood and fluids, which in turn leads to redder and drier tongue body. Symptoms associated with kidney deficiency with heat is tinnitus, night sweats, hot palms and soles, dry mouth, flushed face. Okay. If in constrained heat, smoldering fire or fire toxin can develop. Yun yung extremely red tongue covered with a yellow coating. Makikita niyo po yun. So symptoms associated nito yung fever, irritability, dry mouth and throat, thirst, mouth ulcers. Remember po yung symptoms. Heat and fire are capable of injuring blood and blood vessels, so there is spontaneous bleeding. Heat in the blood, there is excessive menstrual bleeding, red, itchy skin lesions, general feeling of heat in the body. Okay? In this case, yung tongue body is completely red. Parang deeper red or scarlet red yung color. To evaluate origin, the degree, intensity of heat or fire, and resulting injury to yin and fluids, practitioners should observe not only intensity of red discoloration on tongue body, but also its shape and coating. Okay. Heat generated by deficient yin that smolders for a long time in the body and then becomes uncontrollable. It will affect the essence. Okay. This energetic deficiency, yun yung nade-develop after over a course of years or be accelerated by serious illnesses, nagkakaroon ng sudden collapse of yin, which thereby allows siyang to rise uncontrollably. Hindi makontrol yung pag-rise ng yang. So, mildest expression of this energetic imbalance is sudden loss of hearing, while its most severe form is cerebral stroke. Okay? In some cases, burning out syndrome, often followed by nervous breakdown, is subject to same pathology. A good visual image for what happens energetically is a candle burning at both ends. Yung kandila po. Okay? Ayan po yung picture. Pati yung, observe po yung tongue. Okay? Candle wax is the substance. Yun yung essence, yin and yin. While the flame corresponds to yang. At the end, when the wax finally burns away, there is a short, intense flickering of the flame, which is excessive yang. Okay? Upward blazing fire in the body vents itself in myocardial infarction, stroke, hypertensive crisis, or uncontrollable bleeding. Tongue body is red, dry, contracted, or stiff. Yung mga na-stroke, tingnan nyo po dila. The heat has injured fluids and genes so severely that the muscles, the sinews, tendons, including those of the tongue, become malnourished. So this condition can cause internal movement of wind. Deep red discoloration of tongue also arises when heat enters the nutritive and blood levels. Okay. This pathology can produce a soft red tongue, indicating malnourishment of the sinews and tendons due to extreme heat. Sobrang init. Patients with this tongue type often suffer from hemiplegia following the stroke or from atrophy disorders. The soft red tongue is unfavorable prognostic sign. Okay?